Hola.
Fred. Fred. Where are you? Fred. Sorry.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming through for our press conference this morning. I'm going to request us to stand kindly so we can sing the national anthem, and then we'll have a quick prayer by Bishop Patrick Sam. That man in his other life is a serious man. Oh, Uganda, may God uphold thee. We lay our future in thine hand. United, free for liberty, together with all grace stand.
Father, in the mighty name of your Son, Jesus Christ, we come before you this morning, presenting the People Power Movement, presenting the National Unity Platform to you. This is the vehicle that is intended to liberate this country. God, we know you're part of us. We know you're with us from the beginning, now until 2021. You will be with us when we change this country to the desires of Ugandans. We believe that it is not us who are making it. It is not Honorable Kyagulanyi who is making it. We believe it is you who is at the forefront of this movement. It is you who is at the forefront of the liberation of our country, Uganda. We beseech you to be with us, to work with us and guide us as we proceed in the process of making Uganda a better Uganda for all Ugandans. In the name of mighty name Jesus Christ, I pray. Amen.
Amen. Okay, once again, you are very welcome. People power. Our power. People power. NUP. National Unity. National Unity. NUP. NUP. National Unity. National Unity. NUP. All right. Once again, you are very welcome to today's press conference. The National Unity Platform continues to grow by leaps and bounds. We have numerous people that have registered and become members of the party. And today, as you are going to be notified, we are going to roll out this registration to be countrywide. But as we do that, we thought we would have a good kickstart. And today our team leader is going to be unveiling a couple of leaders that are joining us. So allow me to invite our team leader, Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu, to come and address us. You're welcome. Comrade Joel. People power, our power. Our power, people power. People power, our power. Our power, people power. Now let me teach you one other thing that I didn't start. I saw it late in the 60s, and like we've been saying, we cannot reinvent the wheel. So when I say everywhere, you say NUP. Everywhere. NUP. Everywhere. NUP. Mbarara. NUP. Kampala. NUP. Busoga. NUP. Bugisu. NUP. Everywhere. NUP. NUP. Everywhere. NUP. Everywhere. Everywhere. NUP. Akoteka nyuma. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. I greet you, ladies and gentlemen, in the name of the National Unity Platform and in the name of the people of Uganda. I want to thank all of you, ladies and gentlemen, in your thousands for responding to our call, for responding to the National Unity Platform message, and always walking along with us. I said it before and I'll say it again that I did not know that the people of Uganda are at that level of comprehension. We find ourselves not having to explain so much because, like I've said in the past, the people we lead are in many ways ahead of us. So I thank you again, ladies and gentlemen. I also want to thank the many Ugandans that have been calling from different parts of the country, asking for National Unity Platform membership cards. Friends, you empower us, you motivate us, and you're the reasons why we keep going. I also want to promise that everything is being done to make sure that you receive your membership cards in due time. I want to thank those noble Ugandans that have offered office space. We recognize many of you wouldn't want to be mentioned, but we know that you are patriotic Ugandans that are doing this in the interest of a better country. Today, ladies and gentlemen, is a great day. Today is a day when we receive noble Ugandans who have taken a fundamental decision to stand and identify clearly and firmly with us as the People Power Movement, but most importantly, as the National Unity Platform. We are pleased to know that these ladies and gentlemen are actually confident about identifying with us. These people are people that I personally hold in very high regard. These are people that have been steadfast, they've been consistent, and they continue to be consistent. The Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe is a member of Parliament for Manjia County in Bududa. This is a gentleman, ladies and gentlemen, that I admired right from when I entered Parliament. One, this gentleman came to Parliament on the NRM ticket. He has been a noble and solid member of the NRM. Like I wrote in the past on social media, that we do not doubt people that come from the oppressor's side to join the forces of change and to stand with the people of Uganda. When we were standing against the blatant abrogation of our constitution in the Tojikwata Fair, the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe stood on the side of Ugandans. Even when Museveni proved powerful, yes, please. Even when Museveni proved so powerful and so ferocious, the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe continued to stand on the side of Ugandans. He fully represented the voice of the people of Manjia who elected him. And today I cannot be any prouder to announce that the Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe is becoming a member of the National Unity Platform. Honorable John Baptist Nambeshe, it is my absolute honor to present to you your membership card of the National Unity Platform on behalf of the oppressed people of Uganda, and I'm confident that we will continue to stand on their side.
NUP! NUP? Everywhere. People power? Our power. Our power? People power. I would like to make my total commitment to the National Unity Party and to you, our principal, and to you, the membership of NUP, and I assure you of full support of not only this and particularly Manjia. Manjia, I must appreciate you right from here, the headquarters of NUP, because you are the people who brought me up this far. But the entire sub-region of Bugisu, to you members who have not known, we have aggressively been reaching out to them, and they are behind the people power. And now NUP, which is the vehicle that is going to drive this movement, right from this unveiling, I assure you, we have a lot of moral support from the east, and particularly from the sub-region of Bugisu. NUP, everywhere. People power. Our power. God abundantly bless us. Display your card. Display your card. Where? I'm displaying my card. On the other side.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so proud to belong to the same political formation with you, Honorable Nambeshi. Ladies and gentlemen, there is this gentleman. He's a born-again Christian. He does not lie, even in the face of danger. The Honorable Nsamba John Patrick. This gentleman, we met at Parliament. Honorable Nsamba came to Parliament on the NRM ticket. Until today, he has been a full member of the National Resistance Movement. But like many other noble Ugandans who respect the people more than the rulers, he stood on the side of the people right from the days of Toju Kwatako. He has continued to respectfully disagree with the president, to respectfully disagree with what is wrong. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I cannot be any prouder to associate with the Honorable Nsamba Patrick Nambeshi. Sorry, Oshabe. Yeah, please Nambeshi, get out of my place. Yeah, the Honorable Nsamba Patrick Oshabe. Sir, I will come here. And it is my honor to present to you your membership card of the National Unity Platform, and also a brochure of what we stand for.
NUP!
National!
NUP!
Everywhere!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
People power!
Our power!
I am so glad to work with Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. He is a man who inspires me. He's a man who inspires many Ugandans. And every Ugandan now down there, they have hope because of Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Yes. I'm a man who believes in change. I believed in transition within NRM. There was no single hope that within NRM, anybody can talk about standing against President Museveni. I am proud to be part of the biggest political party in Uganda today. The National Unity Platform. It's a brand new, biggest, and it is everywhere to the grassroots people. NUP is the vehicle for change. We believe Mission 2021 is real. Yes. By having this card, I feel I'm touching
Yes.
I feel I'm already there in Mission 2021. We are going to change Uganda, and we are not going to use guns. We are going to use our power,
Yes.
the power of the people.
Yes.
We must change and send the dictator to rest. The dictator must rest. Now I want to encourage every member of NRM. I know many of you are uncomfortable with the system. Take a decision like I have taken a decision. Take a decision to be part of Ugandans. Be part of our country. Be part of this movement. A movement determined to bring a transition in this country using peaceful means. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. Thank you very much.
Wow. He said it. Join us, brothers and sisters, from all formations, including the NRM. We will be your brothers and sisters. We shall welcome you. We shall not call you moles. We shall judge you by your actions. So our doors are open. Please join us. Now this gentleman I'm about to introduce to you, ladies and gentlemen, is a gentleman that I met in Parliament. He's a gentleman that is unborgable. He's a gentleman that inspires me a great deal. And ladies and gentlemen, before you, I introduce the Honorable David Kalwanga from Busuju. Honorable, it's my pleasure and honor to present to you your National Unity Platform membership card and the brochure of what we stand for. Honorable. Thank you. Let me say something.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my principal. It's quite unfortunate that we didn't expect such events to happen like the way they are, but we are very happy of whatever is going on. What I can tell you, there's nothing that hurts than lacking a source of belonging. I myself, I came as a member of parliament, but I came as an independent person. From nowhere I met this guy. My boss, done it. And I'm happy that now I have a source of belonging. I'm ready and I'm very committed to do whatever it takes. What I can tell you that even yesterday we elected our district executive in Mitiana, and I'm sure 100% we are going to perform. Guys, yes. I'm very happy. Thank you very much. I now have where to belong, and I'm ready to perform the way I feel happy about it. Thank you very much. People power. Our power. Our power. People power. NUP. Everywhere. Everywhere. NUP.
Thank you.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Mbarara.
NUP.
Entebbe.
NUP.
Even here.
NUP.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Even in Wachitu.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, allow me, with utmost confidence, with utmost love, with utmost appreciation, and utmost inspiration, introduce my personal friend who I believe needs no introduction. This young man, and I will not apologize for calling him a young man, because he's indeed a very young man, but with very, very, very strong resolve, very determined, very solid. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you none other than the Honorable Zake Francis. This, my friend here, we have survived death I don't know how many times. But God promised us that we shall not die before Uganda is free. That is why for Zake and myself, every risk, the liberation of Uganda is worth it. My brother, my friend, it is my honor to present to you the membership card in the National Unity Platform and the brochure that shows what we stand for. You're welcome and I salute you.
Yes.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Zivuge.
Zake.
Zake.
Zivuge.
Mr. President, and the next commander of the armed and the unarmed forces, I'm really very grateful to be part of this, because I believe as young people, we began this.
Yeah.
And this is the time to push it so that we make it the greatest party ever in Uganda. Mr. President, we've been hearing about a narrative that by 2021 there will be no opposition party. But I want to let you know that this time we are going to make sure that no political party other than National Unity. Because the NRM thought that it would be the only existing party. But we are telling the NRM people that you will not be existing by 2021.
Yes.
Because some of our opposition friends thought that we are here to stamp on them. But we are here to step on the NRM and make sure that the NRM is phased out of the Uganda politics. So, I believe there are so many young people out there who are doing whatever it takes, risking their lives like how we've done, getting inspired from what we are doing. I really urge you to continue doing that, because that's what is going to make NUP the greatest party in Uganda.
Yes.
I want to really take this opportunity to at least remember our foreign comrades at this time, as I'm holding my membership card on this day, that we remember you and we really hold you at heart, and I wish to let the Almighty make them rest in peace. Comrades, this dictatorial regime thinks that it can break our bonds, it can break us physically, but we want to let you know that you can't break our spirit, you can't break our resolve to take you on. Mr. President, I'm ready and I'm committed to this party, and I'm going to do whatever it takes so that we take the presidency of this country. I want to thank you, I want to thank God, I want to thank the people of Mityana municipality that this is the time all of us to be part of the National Unity Platform. Thank you so much. Zivuge! People power!
Our power!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power! Zake! Zivuge!
Thank you. Thank you very much, Comrade Zake. We celebrate you, my brother. And your wounds give us nothing but resolve to fight on. And I want to thank you for also saluting our fallen comrades. To all the fallen comrades, we miss you. Yasine and Rita and Cheyune, we miss you. We salute them. Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Sake mentioned it, that President Museveni one time said that there will be no opposition in 2021. You probably knew that we are not presenting ourselves as the opposition, because we are not here to play opposition politics. We are not the opposition, we are the option. We are not here to oppose Museveni. We are here to remove Museveni and be the government. And this is part of the arrangements, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me, ladies and gentlemen, to present to you a senior leader who has led Kawempe for a long time and continues to offer leadership to us in different ways. One brother by the names of Alhaj Latif Sengendo Sebagala. I welcome you, sir. I must also mention that the Honorable Latif Sebagala is the Imam of Parliament. So, for you who are Muslims like me, Honorable, it's my pleasure and honor to present to you the membership card, your membership card of the National Unity Platform and the brochure that talks about it.
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
NUP!
Everywhere!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Chagulanyi.
Everywhere!
Mr. President, allow me to spice this very important function as the Imam of Parliament with our opening chapter in the Holy Quran. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta alaihim. Ghayril maghdubi alaihim waladdallin. Amin. 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 Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Mr. President, Your Excellency, today is a very important day in the history of our country, Uganda. In the history of our country, Uganda, that we have gathered here as members of Parliament, as many stakeholders of this country, for basically one important reason: to announce publicly that now we are proudly members of NUP from today. Mr. President, I'm an independent like you. I've been also homeless. But today marks the end of a homeless Latif Sebagala Sengendo. Now when you mention Latif Sebagala Sengendo, you know that his address is NUP. My humble appeal to our colleagues in Parliament, those who have not decided, time is now for you to come and join NUP. Because I know that you don't have any option if you are for the forces of change. The only change that we deserve can be only through NUP and not any other thing. With those few remarks, Your Excellency, I commit myself, I commit the people of Kawempe North Constituency and Kampala, Wachisa and Mukono, because I'm the coordinator of Kampala Metropolitan, that I know that all of them will join us as NUP. And finally, Mr. President, I'm ready for any deployment as NUP in as far as enhancing the interests of Ugandans and also enhancing NUP is concerned. May the Almighty Allah bless and guide you, Your Excellency, Honorable BobiWine. Guide all members of NUP. Guide all Ugandans. May the Almighty's endless love and guidance be upon our President, Honorable Setamu. All peace-loving Ugandans, all forces of change, that in 2021 in February or in May at Corolaya Strip, Honorable Kyagulanyi is pronounced as the leader of this country. And we know God will listen to our prayers. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. People power, our power, our power, people power, people power, our power. National unity, everywhere. NUP, everywhere. Everybody, everywhere. Everyone, NUP. Erwachitula.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you very much, Honorable Latif. It's my humble request that colleague members of Parliament join me in taking this, our picture.
Please. Nyamo, don't push me.
Yeah.
NUP!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Everywhere!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Everybody!
NUP! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power!
I'm doing this for you. I've not gotten your picture because of we could just move it slightly so that people can listen. I think you come maybe we leave. You are not here, maybe you come inside.
Tusikemu kwemabega omukolo ekitegedde
NUP! Everywhere!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
People power!
Our power!
Our power!
People power!
Zivuge! Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, I must remind you that there are still many more members of Parliament joining us. This is going to be a series on Unveil, so keep your ear to the ground and keep your eyes on our NUP head offices. But today, ladies and gentlemen, I also want to recognize leaders at a high level, at a mayoral level. With great honor and humility, I want to receive our colleague, comrade and friend, Mayor Serunjoji Owendembe from Kawempe. I personally have a very strong attachment to this gentleman, but again, I'm honored that we share not only a mutual friendship, but we share values. We stood together throughout the People Power movement from inception, and now I'm very honored to share a political home with Dr. Emmanuel Serunjoji Owendembe. Sir, I welcome you to the People Power. I welcome you to the National Unity platform, and I'm honored to present to you your membership card and the brochure of our values.
NUP! Everywhere! NUP! Everywhere! Everywhere! NUP! People power! Our power! People power! Our power!
I'm so honored to stand next to
the incoming president, and that is none other than the 10th President of the Republic of Uganda, Honorable Kyagulanyi Ssentamu. Mr. President, by receiving this card, which I value as one of the best prizes and awards I've ever received, I commit the people of Kawempe Division, which I lead as a political head, and in my capacity as the chairman of Kampala Mayors, I commit myself, the people of Kawempe and the people of Kampala, to NUP. Your Excellency, the incoming president, I was looking, all along I've been looking for the right time to wash away a statement, in fact a false statement, which was made some time back by one of the ministers of Kampala. In fact, he was in the Kawempe Division. She was in the Kawempe Division when she uttered a statement, which was a false statement, that he will make sure that the NRM gets 80% of the votes. I stand before you, Mr. President, and wash away that statement and tell President Museveni that that was a lie. That was a lie. The people of Kampala are committed to change. And I'm promising and committing myself, together with my fellow mayors, that NUP will get not less than 90% in Kampala. NUP everywhere. Everywhere. NUP. Honorable Kyagulanyi.
President. Thank you very much. That is Mayor Serunjoji Owedembe. In fact, Dr. Emmanuel Serunjoji Owedembe. I salute you, sir. Now, ladies and gentlemen, yesterday I had a very, very beautiful day. I met two of the closest people to me, and we did what we believe should be done in every constituency where we have more than one people power / NUP contender, because we are not each other's enemies. We are trying to sweep away NRM and its dictatorial tendencies from Kampala, from Uganda. So, ladies and gentlemen, again, I'm very honored to welcome a colleague who was one of the first few people that joined me, even without invitation, in the Chadondo East constituency. This gentleman, even though he has challenges with his physicality, ran on foot with me in the Chadondo East election, taught me so much about politics and about elections. And this is none other than Mayor Bameegaseeko from Nakawa. So, to the people of Uganda, to the people of Kampala, but most importantly to the people of Nakawa, on behalf of myself and on behalf of the National Unity Platform, my brother, my friend, Mayor Bameegaseeko, I'm honored to welcome you, the National Unity Platform.
God is good all the time. God is good all the time. And all the time.
God is good, and that is nature. Wow.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Kyagulanyi.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Everywhere.
njagala okutwala omukisa guno okusookera ddala okwebaza Katonda nti leero nange nfunye amaka. Siri muntu atera kukyukakyuka. Era ndi musajja alina munne kyayempologoma mu nze. Naye nze ogenda okudda mu NUP namaze okwetegereza nensalawo ng'omutima gwange gwagadde olwa Honorable Kyagulanyi ne rich experience ba members ba NUP gye balina, nange ne ŋŋamba kanzije ngatteko rich experience gye nina ne hard work okulaba nti twala eggwanga lino maaso. Sisuubira busuubizi wabula nkakasa tugenda kutwala almost buli kifo kyonna singa tunakwataganira wamu. Nzikiriza nti singa ffenna tunabeera relevant, waliwo okubeera nga oyogera bwogezi NUP naye nga toli relevant, singa tunabeera relevant ne tutwala ebifo bino, njagala tukolere abantu, tutuuse obuweereza eri abantu. Bwetugenda okukyusa buli kintu kyonna, ebigambo si ensonga, naye twagala abantu abagenda okukola okulaba nti tulagawo enjawulo. Your Excellency, ndi committed era okubeera wansiiwo n'okubeera n'abakulembeze abana abatutwala. Ndi musajja muwulize newankubadde siri mwangu nnyo okituuka ku nsonga y'okugondera ebituufu oba ebimenya amateeka. Nankugondera ndi mulungi nnyo mugondera ebikola ki ebituufu, naye ebikyamu eyo ndi mbeera muzibu nnyo. I want to commit myself. I believe I'm coming with rich experience and hard work. And believe me, I'm going to add value to this party. And that's the reason that I'm here. Together, we are going to make sure that this party becomes the biggest party, not only in Uganda, but in East Africa and Africa at large. I want to appreciate you for yesterday's meeting, where I met my brother, my young brother. Come here.
NUP everywhere. Nakawa everywhere. Nakawa NUP everywhere.
Mayor, I want to appreciate the meeting that you chaired yesterday. Believe me, my brother and I are going to sit and come out with something that is good that people of Nakawa will appreciate. There is no way that any other party is going to take Nakawa seats. And I believe both of the seats are going to be taken by NUP. Njagala okwebaza Katonda olw'omukisa guno gwampadde era nga nkakasa nti nja kukola ssebo, nja kugondera amateeka n'okulaba nti tukola NUP maaso. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala mmwe mwenna basobodde okujja wano. Ekimbeerangako gwe mulundi gwange ogusoose okufuna party card era yene esoose mu bulamu bwange. Ate wa Social Democratic Party naye mbadde sifunanga ku kaadi bweti. Leero ngifunye seebuuziza ku muntu. Sebo neebuuziza ku nze. Okujjako ne mukyala wange. Sebo neyanza. Mbadde nkusaba sebo ukkirize nti nja kugondera amateeka n'okulaba nti ntambula wansi wamu n'abakulembeze abalala. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. NUP everywhere. NUP everywhere. Kyagulanyi everywhere. NUP everywhere. Amen.
Sebo webale nnyo, webalire ddala ebigambo ebyo. Omwami oyo talimbye. Tuyina okukkiriza nti agenda twongerako value. Era ffenna tukimanyi nti omu ku bameeya amaanyi kendowooza ogalaba nasula n'ebidaala omu ku bameeya abasinze okuweereza obulungi sebo twesimye nnyo okubeera nga tugenda kutambulira wamu National Unity Platform. Muzikirize ono omuntu gwempita muyite mu Luganda. Maze ebbanga nga mbagamba ndi wa ghetto, naye ate mu ghetto era waliyo abamu ku bakulembeze be ne maze ebbanga nga neegomba, bemaze ebbanga nga neebuuzaako ebiseera ebimu mu kasirise, ebiseera ebirala lwatu. Ono meeya gwe ngenda obayitira ye meeya w'omu ghetto. Ono meeya wa ghetto z'e Katwe, Kinyolo, Makindye, Kuba Mutwe n'ebitundu ebifaanana bwe bityo. Mwami ono twali mu kalulu k'Ekyaddondo yagira ddala era ng'ow'eripanda. Bandi mukwogera n'abantu ngenda okukyuka nga ndaba meeya oyo nanga nkoyito bwetokyakyala nze wendi wano basebo ne banyabo kitiibwa kinene nnyo okubanjulira meeya Ali Mulyannyama.
People power, our power. People power, our power. People power.
Sebo kya kitiibwa nnyo okwaniriza mu National Unity Platform. Nina obukakafu ku mutima bwetuba n'abakulembeze nga ggwe tujja kukola ebintu nga byalaaya si byalwayo. Era nnyina obugumu abantu baffe naddala ab'omu ghetto bagenda kukiikirirwa nnyo, ebirowoozo byabwe bijja kukiikirirwa nnyo ng'oli muntu ate eryatama. Sebo yanirizibwa nnyo.
Manyi meeya w'e Makindye wa njawulo. Everywhere. NUP. Everywhere. Kyagulanyi. Mr. President, ansooke mu Luganda nzire mu Kinyenyimbe. Mr. President, ndi wa mukisa olwaleero okuba nga alina ettiimu edimandinga change. Mr. President, bw'ogenda mu all corners eza Uganda, east to west, north to south, badimandinga change. Era njagala okutwala omukisa guno nze ebiseera ebisinga era ne mu kusoma theory yankalubirira nnyo naye njagala ebiri practical. Era nze ndi mulabi bwa firimu naye siraba bi Nigeria simanye n'entunnunsi nze ndaba nti mutwaki. Era njagala okulagako Mr. President na briefing eza sekamwa waffe. Makindye sigenda gikunga bukunzi eri wano. Makindye eruwa Mr. President, nakoze decision mu budde obutuufu mu ssaawa entuufu ne ttiimu entuufu edimandinga enkyukakyuka. Tukooye okwenyumiriza mu opposition. Naffe twagala tubeereko ku mikolo ekololo. Omuntu ne yenyumiriza mu opposition naye n'agitwala nga naye akubirayo enkokola. We are here to demand the change. Era woba oli wano nga gwoze kwenyumiriza mu position, please oli mu kifo kikyamu, mu ssaawa enkyamu, mu budde obukyamu. Mr. President, ne my brothers and sisters, nzize wano okugattako my mobilization skills, strategic skills, okulaba nga tusuula obannakyemalira bannayuganda bafune ku ssanyu mu nsi yaabwe. Nkimanyi era nkikakasa Mr. President, obwesige bw'abannayuganda obazzaamu essuubi buli muggo omusajja omutono ennyo. Eggwanga limanyi mu nsi yonna abantu beegaana ghetto, naye ffe ne munnange ono twagikiriza. Nze nva mu ghetto, ate ghetto ey'ekatwe wali ekaheedi. Sonolwekyo Mr. President, njagala okwanjula omusajja oyo kiyimba bo bakalina naye twali e Gaboni nga balemeddwa okulaba omupiira. Nze ow'omuketo nze nakola obukujjukujju ne baganze ndi minisita okuva e Uganda tulabe omupiira. Bali awo bakalina, bali awo bataabataaba naye nze ow'omugeto olw'okuba tuli creative. Omupiira waliwo ba footballer ne ba ball player. Footballer yo yayiga omupiira olwa training naye ball player yoyo nga luni yono Honorable Kyagulanyi wali badde mupiira yike ball player. Amaliriza Mr. President, tugenda kukola nnyo tetugenda kwebaka. Tukimanyi abageto ffe tukyusa obukulembeze bunsi. Abageto era oluva wano sijja kulinda assignment oba mpadde kikubanga era mbadde nkola nga simanyi kyendi naye nga nze mmanyi nkola kukyusa. Nange njagala ndabako nga mwami Museveni tali ku buyinza mu ggwanga muno ekyo kye nninda. Nze nkaddiyiza n'abaana bange era nabo abakaddiye wallahi billahi tallahi. Mr. President, n'ebigambo eyo I salute you. Akumitinga mu military muganda wange yawe n'akaaba naye mami n'agamba ate ye n'akuuma gwe twabisuubira nti mukyala olina omukyala kama amukuumire. N'ebigambo ebyo era nyikyuse mu kinyanyimbe ebijja kuzijjako mbayi Ssaabasajja Kabaka Awangudde. I salute you sisters and brothers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, my brother. Mwatu Mayor, Mwale Gaboni no bagamba oli minister of Uganda. Tewabalimba lwakuba bagamba by'onobeera maaso.
Wasinga.
Era njagala okwebaza olw'obweyamo ssebo n'okulabira ewala. Nyina essuubi nti bameya mwenna, bakansalas mwenna, ne babaka bannanga ba paliamenti ffenna tugendagenda ate kukweyeganako nga bannaffe. Feno tulina ekigendererwa nti nga tetunagenda mu kulonda tulina okubeera nga ffe ekibiina ekisinga abakulembeze abangi abaliko kati. Twagala kubeera the biggest opposition political party now, see after 2021. Kuba mu 2021 twagala kubeera era tugenda kubeera gavumenti okulembera Uganda. Si opposition. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, are you tired? Allow me again to introduce one of my very good friends. He's a noble leader. He is the mayor of Katabi Town Council. Comrade Kalema Mulangira Ronald. It is my honor to welcome you to the National Unity Platform and look forward to benefiting from your skills, from your patriotism, learning from you. People power! Our power! People power! Our power! Our power! People power! NUP! Everywhere! NUP! Everywhere! Everywhere! NUP! Munzikirize mberenga meya wange mujajjama. Yogere mu lulimi ffenna lutusinga okumanya. Basebo ne bannyabo ndi mu Kristaayo amanyi Bayibuli. Naye abasajja abasatu abaagenda okulaba Yesu Kristo ng'azaaliddwa baagobereranga munyenye. Olwaleero emmunyenye ya Uganda twagiraba. Mulinda ddoboozi kyeddala eribagamba nti emmunyenye yeeno. Your Excellency, njagala kwebaza okutukkiriza n'otwaniriza. Nze mbadde mu bufumbo bwa DP naye nga siri mugatte. Naye kaakati bwano nfunye obufumbo era ngattiddwa.
Nolwekyo ssebo mu bulungi ne mu bubi nja kufumba. Nja kugonderanga ku lw'ebirungi eri bannayuganda. Bannakatabbi abali wano mu bubeeko ow'ekitiibwa Pulezidenti amanyidde yonna. Bayibuli y'emu etugamba nti mu buli mulembe Katonda abaamu eddoboozi ly'ayogera. Eddoboozi eryo bw'oliwulira tosobola kusigala kyekimu. Nazaalibwa 87, myaka 35 ndaba omuntu omu ate siraba kikyuka. Kano ke kadde tuwulire eddoboozi ery'omulembe gwaffe. Naffe bazzukulu baffe tuli banyumiza nti mu budde buno twalina omusajja eyatuleeta mu mulembe ogukoze ebirungi ng'omukulu byagenda okukola. NUP! Everywhere! NUP! People power! Our power! Our power! People power!
Sebo nsanyuse nnyo okwaniriza. Onzikirize nga sinnabamuko eri abameeya ate era nyanirize mwannyinaze Zahara Sekibaala Luyirika ono ye LC5 kansala ow'Emakindye. Maama nsanyuse nnyo okwaniriza kansala.
People power! Our power! Our power! People power! NUP!
Everywhere!
Everywhere!
NUP!
Mr. President, our MPs and the public, people of Machindi, NUP! Everywhere! Although I've been a long line Democrat, I say today it is time for change. Yes. That is why I have seen the light together with the people of Machindi. We want to embrace you, our dear President, Mr. Chagulanyi, that we are going to be strong forces of change in Machindi and Kampala at large. We want to take this opportunity now as the youth of Uganda to see that we get change, either by group, by group or group. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, my sister. NUP! Everywhere! Arua! Oboko! Everywhere! NUP! Allow me, comrades, the mayors and Madam Councillor, to take a picture with you so we can have it.
Basembere manga ddala. Basembere ddala wala tewali.
Bayimirire wali.
Ama bali baveeka anafuna anakola.
Awo.
That is okay.
Why you survive?
That is okay. Amara. Ngane muggulu wali abatasi.
Sebere na mabega.
Soko mugiye kamera yo.
Deputy Mayor again, the same. Deputy Mayor, yeah.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, as we conclude, we shall, through our spokesperson, introduce the other comrades at different levels that have come to join us. I must, before I leave this platform, condemn in the strongest terms the double standards of the Museveni regime. You've all seen that NRM candidates are going around undisturbed with their campaigns. They've gone ahead to stage rallies and meetings, but whenever our people come together, they are attacked by the police. We condemn that, and we know we're working so hard to bring that impunity to an end, and we sure shall bring it to an end. And finally, I also want to clarify on the issue of candidate selection. We know that the People Power movement and its political wing, the National Unity Platform, is growing stronger by the day. And yes, we have heard from different parts of the country that some comrades are either being confused unknowingly or deliberately. I want to clarify that according to the laws of Uganda, you cannot belong to two political parties. You cannot belong to two political formations. So the business of presenting People Power or National Unity Platform candidates, but with other political formations, it is something that must be ironed out from our secretariat. There is nothing like anything else an NUP. You are either NUP or not. Kanchidemu ni mu Luganda. Ebisinga byogedde mu Luzungu bakadde bange naye mu bufunze njagala okwebaza bannayuganda bonna abagenze maaso n'okuwagira omulama gwe tuliko ng'ekisinde kya People Power era n'okwettanira ekibiina ekipya kye twataddewo nga tuyingira mu kulonda ekya National Unity Platform. Twebaza bonna bonna abagenze maaso n'okusaba kaadi kuba 10,000 za kaadi zifulumizibwa buli lunaku ate ne ziggwawo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebale ddala. Njagala okwebaza bannaffe bannayuganda abagala ekikyukakyuka abagenze maaso n'okutuwa offices ku mitendera egy'enjawulo. Bannange mwebale, mwebalire ddala. Era mukoere erimu njagala okuvumirira ne sekuvumirira yenna obunnanfuusi bw'obukulembeze bwa Nakyemalira Yoweri Museveni olw'okubeera ne double standards oba kye tuyita kyekubiira. Abakulembeze ba NRM bagenda maaso n'okuba enkuŋŋaana n'okwogera ku radio, naye nga bwe mwalabye gye buvudde e Mubende baatadde amagye ku radio zonna nga tebaagala tuzogerereko. Bagenda maaso n'okukwata bannaffe okutaataganya enkuŋŋaana zaffe eza NUP n'eza People Power. Ekyo no tukivumirira kuba si kya bwenkanya. Nze Museveni bw'oba weewulira twagala akalulu k'amazima n'obwenkanya tukuba akalulu naawe okewuunya. Muze mubalaba baminisita Bamuyanja Mbabaali, ba Mike Mukula n'abalala abafaanana bwe batyo ne Vice President yennyini ng'akuba enkuŋŋaana ng'asala ne dansi nga teri amukwata ku mukono ng'akuumibwa abasirikale n'abapoliisi. Era njagala okwongera bannaffe amaanyi tebabalimbalimba n'ebiteekateeka bino bye bateekawo. Oli bw'ateekawo etteeka ye kennyini n'ataligoberera liba teririiwo. Ebyo Betty Ruth Achenge minisita w'ebyobulamu byayogera ate n'atabigoberera temubigoberera. Ebyo Betty Ruth Achenge byateekawo ate n'atabigoberera temubigoberera. Yenze mbagambye Jenny Ruth musonyiwe n'erinnya yange terimanyikiddwa bulungi. Ebyo Museveni byateekawo ate kyaliwe sekandi n'abiziimula temubigoberera. Ebyo kyemulaba Vice President akoze namwe kyemuba mukola. Kyemulaba Minisita w'ebyobulamu kyakoze namwe kyemuba mukola. Muze mulaba Anite Mukula n'abalala nga bagenda maaso n'okuba enkuŋŋaana. Kale nno tebabatiisatiisa kuba ensi yaffe. Ate nga bwe nze nga mbagamba njagala kiddamu kibagamba ti abo be tutya ate ffe batutya nnyo. N'olw'ensonga eyo mwebereremu. Njagala okumaliriza nga ntangaaza okwewandiisa okugenda mu maaso. Tumanyi nti okwewandiisa mu kibiina kyaffe kya National Unity Platform NUP ekiri wansi w'ekisinde kyaffe kya People Power kugenda mu maaso mu ggwanga lyonna. Naye era amaloboozi mangi gabadde gatutuukako nga gabuzaabuzibwa okuva mu bitundu eby'enjawulo eby'eggwanga. Okubuzaabuzibwa nno kuno okumu tulowooza tikuli mu butamanya naye ate ng'okulala kugenderere. Kale nno njagala okuyimirira wano nkitangaaze nakyo nti okusinziira ku mateeka agatufuga mu Uganda, omuntu tasobola kubeera mu bibiina bya bufuzi bibiri mulundi gumu. Kale nno abo bannaffe abakiikirira NUP oba bagamba ba NUP, either oli wa NUP oba toli, either oli naffe oba toli. Bwewaawo tugenda mu maaso okolagana ne bannaffe abava mu bibiina ebyenjawulo, era enkolagana tegenda kukoma, naye twagala okuttaanya nti abo abakulembeze abakiikirira NUP bakiikirira NUP, era foomu eriko National Unity Platform tugisuubira kukwatibwa mu ngeri ya National Unity Platform, era omukulembeze oyo ajja kubeera wa National Unity Platform. Mbadde ndowooza ekyo kikulu nnyo okuttaanya basebo ne banyabo. Njagala obbeebaza olw'okumpuliriza, njagala okwaniriza baganda baffe, njagala obbakunga bannaffe ababaka ba paliamenti, ba mayors, ba councillors n'abakulembeze ku mitendera egy'enjawulo. Mukunge bannammwe, mupoloote bannammwe, twegattire wamu. Tubadde nga tubakunga twegattira mu kisinde kya People Power newankubadde tekibadde kiwandiise. Kati engeri gye tubuzaayo akabanga akatono ennyo okugenda mu kulonda, twagala twegatte mu buwandiike. Kino kye tukola tukikola kuba twetegekera kubeera mu gavumenti. Yensonga lwaki twagala tubeere organized, kubanga ffe gavumenti eddako. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala basebo ne banyabo, Mukama abampera omukisa. Era n'obugambo obwo bwebukirize nti omwogezi waffe atanye ebisingaawo. Mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Wa alaikum salaam wa barakatuh.
Sebo webale salamu eyo gy'otutoledde newankubadde watulyako yidde. Naye tubya COVID just. COVID wegwawo tuteekawo ekyakabiri. I would like to once again welcome our comrades that have joined us. Once again, you are very, very, very welcome. You have joined the winning team, and we pray that many others will beat the list. Like our principal has said, our team leader, there's going to be many other leaders. We're going to be doing this in batches, you know. So every week, at some point, it will be twice a week, we are going to be welcoming leaders, various leaders at various levels who are coming to join us. Allow me just say one or two things, because it's important that we reiterate what our good friends have joined. Our vision as NUP, the National Unity Platform, the vision of the platform is to build a free, united, prosperous and democratic Uganda which empowers citizens, adheres to the rule of law, ensures dignity and provides equal opportunities for all. That's our vision. Every day is to rally the people of Uganda to exercise their power and build a free, united, prosperous and democratic Uganda. Our core values are discipline, reliability, integrity, inclusiveness, fidelity and service. That's what we stand for as the National Unity Platform. So we want to keep driving that agenda. I was also notified, I don't know whether they are the ones who are making noise behind there, that we're joined by, we'll just take note of these people, LC3 and LC5 councillors from Makindye. Bakansala bai Makindye kusatu ne kutano wale jemuli. People power, our power, NUP. Okay, tuina ne banaffe bakansala abafute Katabi, Katabi down bale wemuli bibilireko. NUP Katabi. Okay, tuina ne banaffe abafute Kawempe, Kawempe Republic tulira yosi dala. Eyo bakansala abafute Kawempe jemuli. NUP Kawempe everywhere. All right. Tuina ne banaffe abafute Rubaga. Bakansala Rubaga. NUP Rubaga. Ne banaffe abavudde wawala bitugedde. Nakawa. Abe Nakawa gye muli. Kale just one clarity that our principal was meant to just highlight, and we are going to have him come here and just unveil this properly. So we have been having people coming here to our headquarters to register as NUP members, and we have been giving them party cards. But we want this to roll out across the country, various parts of the country, because we are cognizant of the fact that not everybody has capacity to come here to our headquarters. So we are going to roll them out to different parts of the country, to northern Uganda, to western Uganda, to eastern Uganda, to various parts of central Uganda, because not everybody has the ability to come here. So we are going to be unveiling these registers. They'll be out there. Please go and register for those that are willing to join NUP. Get your party membership card, like we said previously. The card costs only 1,000 shillings. There are those who are willing to pay a bit more, donate to the party activities. You're very welcome to do that. Ennaku zino eziyize tubadde ne bannaffe abajja wano okwewandiisa mu kibiina kyaffe ekya NUP era nga bafuna kaadi zaabwe. Naye tukimanyi nti si buli omu ayina obusobozi obujja wano ku kitebe kyaffe ekamukya. So olunaku olwaleero tugenda tongoza ebitabo bino registers bigende mu bitundu by'eggwanga ebyenjawulo, kubanga tubadde tufuna amasimu okuva mu mambuka, okuva mu west, mu east n'ebitundu bya centre ebyenjawulo nga bagamba baagala okufuna kaadi zaffe zino. So omukulembeze waffe agenda tongoza ebitabo bino, bigenda batuukako gye muli yonna, mu north, mu west, mu east n'ebitundu bya central ne Kampala ebyenjawulo. Kirabike nga si buli omu alina kujja wano ku kitebe kyaffe. Kaadi zino za nusu lukumi lwokka, era ng'oregistaringa mu kitabo n'ofuna kaadi yo. Naye tukimanyi nti waliyo bannaffe abali eyo nga ye agamba nze njagala kuwaayo ekisinga ku 10. Sente ezo tuzaaliriza zijja tuyambako okwasaganya emirimu gya NUP. Era buyinza okulembeze waffe ajje wano awali ebitabo byaffe bitongoze.
Mweyongereyo tugende, bali tebalaba, tugende.
We also have the other leaders coming along with our umbrellas. We'll take the umbrella picture afterwards, but for now we are just going to unveil this.
Tebajja kusitulayo bayisa. Mweyongereyo tugende.
So this one here is just a sample. There are many others in boxes that are going to go across the country.
People power.
Our power.
People power.
Our power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Everywhere.
NUP.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Ra.
Hey. NUP is our party.
No, Scott. Teweyongerayo bagenda kujja.
Bobby, this side, this side.
Mukoze ki?
All right, so those registers are going to come to various parts of the country at constituency level and even below. So you don't have to come here to Kampala to come register as a member of NUP. We are going to wrap up just with the national anthem and then our Bakole to hold umbrellas and take a picture with our team lead just after we sung the national anthem. So let me request us to stand. I'm sure it is in order for me to request a very good artist to lead us in the national anthem. Ekigenda kuba kyakaminga tulina president nga asooka natukubamu omuzigo namala natuwa state of the national address.
United, free for liberty, together we always stand.
People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
Everywhere.
NUP.
NUP.
Everywhere. Tuliyambale ngule. Tuliyambale ngule. Tuliyambale ngule. Tuliyambale ngule. Tulivimba mu Uganda mpya.
When the struggle
is over, shall everything has grown.